OPPO F1 Plus, and let me show you how to use quiet time on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the settings. Here you need to scroll down and choose quiet time. So here you can enable this quiet time by using enable manually, and now we just activate quiet time. Here you should find the icon, or you can enable automatically, for example every weekend, every weeknight. You can customize your own rule. That's it. You can here also enable notification in quiet time, or you can enable some incoming calls and text messages from some favorite contacts or for some specific contacts. That's it. Let me disable those rules, and here you can customize your quiet time. It's similar to do not disturb. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.